In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google VO3 not working. Whether you're using this for personal tasks or business operations, it's crucial to get everything running smoothly. So let's dive right into it. Start by opening Google Gemini. This is the platform you need to check first because Google VO3 is integrated with it. Ensure that the application is running correctly. Once you have it open, you'll need to check your access and version. Verify that you have the necessary permissions and that your software is up to date. This step is essential as outdated or restricted versions can often cause issues. Next, take a moment to inspect your prompt and settings. You want to make sure your input is correctly formatted and your settings align with the task you wish to perform. Sometimes, simple modifications can resolve a problem that seem more significant. If everything seems fine with your settings, the next step you'd want to try is refreshing your browser and clearing its cache and cookies. Over time, these can build up and interfere with web-based applications. Performing this step can sometimes give problematic software the nudge it needs to operate correctly again. Now, consider disabling any browser extensions, particularly those that could interfere with Google VO3. These extensions, although helpful, can sometimes create conflicts with certain applications, causing them to function improperly. Test running Google VO3 with these extensions turned off and observe any changes. If you're still encountering issues, try restarting the app or the tool itself. This might sound simple, but restarting can resolve minor bugs and glitches by refreshing the application's memory and processes. After that, it's a good idea to check your network and system conditions. A slow network or system performance can hinder the functionality of Google VO3. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that your system meets the necessary technical specifications for running this tool. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact support for your specific plan. The support team can offer additional insights and help resolve issues that involve deeper technical aspects. Always provide them with as much detail as possible about the problem, including any error messages you may have received. And there you have it. Several steps to help you troubleshoot and fix Google VO3 not working. Each step is aimed at systematically identifying and solving potential issues, ensuring a smoother user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.